Hello, I'm Rohan Raut. I'm the director founder of DroneStark technology. We are a Mumbai-based startup into manufacturing of drones. We build drones for various industrial applications. The smallest drone currently that we do is the quadrilight with a 5 kg payload, moving to the octalight with up to 20 kg of payload, and the hexalight with up to 40 kg of payload. All of these three drones are considered as drone platforms, which can be used for various applications to cater to various industries. My journey with the drones actually began in 2013 as a college project. So I had built an internet control drone back then when 3G was just introduced as my final year college project with my team members. We set out to win a lot of college awards, national level awards with our project, which was a 3G control drone back then. In 2017 I quit my job, and in 2018 I was looking to start something new of my own. This idea of why don't I go back to building drones, which I had built as a college project, came back to me. So I started off building my own drone for agriculture as the first thing, which was a 30-liter spraying drone. This was the first time I was designing and got this entire thing manufactured in India. And in 2019 I formally started DroneStark technology. So we are based out of Mumbai with our office in Goregaon and our manufacturing facility there in Andheri. A lot of the designs that we do are all manufactured in our own facilities. All the design is completely indigenous. It's done on our own systems with our team of engineers. A lot of the softwares that goes behind the scene is also developed by our group. We use a mix of softwares available openly, as well as creating our own proprietary plugins or additions onto these softwares. We actually work very closely with our customers so that we can design, develop and attach various payloads for their specific applications. That includes physically mounting those payloads, creating the machining the parts for their requirements, as well as creating the software required for it, integrating the electronics, integrating the hardware, which gives us a very unique position for integrating various applications and to deliver custom drones or custom solutions to a lot of our clients. And we do not have to start off with building a fresh drone for every single application. We can start off on other platforms. During this time when we were in the development phase of the Octaglide, and we just about got the manufacturing done of the first few parts, COVID hit and lockdown happened. Then all operations were shut, and suddenly we got a call from Smith and Drone Federation saying that Mumbai Police is looking out for drones for public announcement. As soon as we got the letter from Mumbai Police that we could start operations, we immediately picked up the biggest megaphone we could, put it on top of our drone, modified it so that it was light enough for the drone to carry, and in 4 days we were ready with our product. So as soon as Mumbai Police started using our drones, we could see the potential of what this drone platform could also do. Mumbai Police was our first customer. I would like to give them a very big thank you. Moving on from there, we did projects with BMC for mosquito control, modifying our spraying setup from the agriculture to a specialized setup required for mosquito control. So in 2021, one of the bigger defense supplier gave us an opportunity to test these drones out at high altitudes for the Indian Army for doing logistic deliveries. And we were very successful in doing these trials. We actually flew the Octablind at Kardunga with a 10 kg payload, with Nubra Valley with a 20 kg payload, 800 meters at Jammu. And we've done certain trials in regions which are so inaccessible. Then we also did a demonstration for firefighting using the drone with an actual hosepipe, with an actual fire truck, with a throw of about 40 liters per minute. In 2022, we started working with Reliance Jio to enable our systems to run on 5G well before 5G was even launched. All the aspects from the payload delivery, the public announcement, the camera, the navigation, everything was controlled remotely over 5G on our drone. We also did a very bold mission which was cleaning of the river Ganga using a drone. We've used our drone to actually scout out the places where there is plastic waste and then remove them from the river Ganga using a drone. So you can imagine the kind of challenging operations that we do with our drones. And not just that, it also indicates as to how many of India first things we have done with our drone. We have been the first drone to do maybe spraying in India. We have been the first to do firefighting, first for 5G, first for cleaning of river using a drone, first for doing public announcements using a drone. So 2023 we expanded our portfolio with the the hexagon which could do a lot more endurance with the 20 kg payload, could do 20 kilometers of range. As well as we got the new drone, the Quadra Glide, which is a much smaller, more compact drone. We had a lot of our customers asking for something which could do a lot of things that the Octaglide could, but it did not require something that you take up to 20 kgs. So for those audience, we actually developed the Quadra Glide for up to 5 kg of payload. But that drone also really revolutionized how search and rescue missions can be done. In the Quadra Glide, we had the megaphones, we had the spotlight for search, we had the camera for rescue, the 5G connectivity. All of this integrated into a very tight system, which would deliver a 45 minutes of endurance with all the systems in place, and 60 minutes plus of endurance just for surveillance. This system has been a great hit with the police and has recently been deployed also with the army, and orders going out to the Navy as well. We already have a great portfolio of products which is good for Indian markets but also for international markets. In the future, we are looking to replace all the hazardous human activities with drones and with technology as much as possible. And we are looking to do much more than being just eye in the sky. That's what DroneStark tagline is, beyond eye in the sky. Thank you.